I'm Ed. We're just on the last day, Monday, of the coast of Lamlash. Isn't it beautiful? I'm here because just before we left we had a storytelling session that Jerry Hassan, she got us to make these wee scrolls that to put our hopes and dreams and fears on, and to make a wee poem out of. And something I found quite helpful was she made a gesture. She tossed them into the sea afterwards, after she made them as a gesture, and I thought that was quite nice, so I wanted to do the same with my scroll here.